Bangladesh, a nation that promises great achievements in the years to come. Slowly, her potentials are being realized and accelerating development at an ever so fast rate. Bangladesh is an emerging economy but too dependent on the exports of ready-made garments. Leather offers a significant opportunity with both cheap labor and abundant raw materials. However, leather exports are being held back for one key reason.
We are the biggest finished leather exporter in the Italian and German shoe factory from Bangladesh. And last year, I lose almost 3 million square feet, equivalent $9 million. And another German customer in the Lloyd, which one they are also placing big order, but finally they canceled this order because of the environmental facility in our country, which one we cannot provide. This is the main reason we are losing our customer. Right now, where we are producing our leather factory, that one is relocated is 1940 in the very small places, also close to the Dhaka city. This reason we cannot make the effluent treatment plant in that place, and this is why we are discharge our water in the river, where it's also damaging all the the local peoples, also workers also suffering for this. The river also affected for this. This is also one of the biggest damage for us.
People living around city dwellers, they were complaining the environment was being spoiled. Importers from abroad had been complaining about it. Overall, globally, there is a sort of a negative aspect of this. Raw leather industries being within densely populated area. So government had to do it.
As the tanneries built up, there was no longer any space in Hazaribagh to establish a CETP. The proposed solution was to relocate the entire tanning industry to a new industrial estate on the outskirts of Dhaka city in Savah. The Savah estate has all the facilities needed to ensure environmental compliance, including most importantly the CETP, which takes in the effluent from all the tanneries, treats it and releases it to the river in a way that will not harm the environment. Previous attempts at the relocation failed because they did not contend with these binding constraints. For example, in 2003, an MOU was signed between the government and the leather associations, but neither party was fully invested in the relocation, resulting in a breakdown of the agreement. The coalition continuously expanded the focus of the reform to new players and issues, which raised the profile of the relocation and ensured public interest, creating pressure on both the government and industry. The construction of the CETP in Savah is expected to be completed by mid-2015, meaning the Savah estate may be operational by the end of the year. As the CETP takes shape, more than 100 tanneries have also begun construction of new factories in Savah. The achievement of environmental compliance in Savah will produce new opportunities for Bangladesh leather, including the new major markets such as the United States.
And this will open up America as a huge market for Bangladeshi leather exports, shoes and everything else. And I see the day when America, which produces some of the best hides in the world, will have a major export of raw leather to Bangladesh. It will be processed here in Savar, made into shoes and finished leather goods, and then exported back to America. That is a win-win-win for everybody. I'm very proud of that. This is the message I've already been telling back in America. Just 2 weeks ago, I spoke with executives of major American shoe importers and leather product importers, exporters of hides, exporter of chemicals, and people want to do business. So I'm telling this story, and Bangladesh needs to keep telling this story to open up the world to these exports.
So we are very happy and also expecting that once the tannery can shift to the new location, the Sabah area, then all the pollution problems can be improved, and of course the quality of the leather and of course the delivery, everything can be improved. Then that will be very benefited to us.
The relocation is a gateway to new opportunities. It will allow Bangladesh to diversify its narrow export basket. It will reshape the leather industry of Bangladesh with new markets and products. Given Bangladesh's competitive advantage in this sector, the relocation may push the leather industry even beyond the successes of the ready-made garment sector and will help pave the way to Bangladesh's achieving middle-income economy status in the next few years.